Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am doing something a little different today. So if you don't know me, my name is Nicole. I make all kind of different videos now, but I mostly make content related to hair care and all things curly hair. And your girl is tired of her hair. If you know, I have been experiencing some thinning, like extreme amounts of thinning. Like a couple of years back, my hair was coming out in clumps, so we're like in recovery mode. And I went to see about getting my hair braided. I have not had my hair braided in probably like 10 years. And even back then, I used to do my own hair, make my own wigs, do my own kinky twists, as they used to be called back in the day. Yes, I dated myself. And my own braids. Like anything I wanted to do to my hair, I did it myself. And the lady said, okay, I can do that, $280. I'm not paying $280 for anything, so I decided to buy me some clip-ins. So I'm going to try them out today. I have somewhere to be. I'm a little nervous because this hair texture, like the curl pattern, does not look like it's going to match my hair very much, but we're going to try. We're going to see how it goes. I went ahead and braided my hair. Now, these are not the best braids at all. Let me show you. So anyways, it was like quick. Like I was like, I need to get this done in under 15 minutes. This needs to be a quick and easy protective style. I have somewhere to be later. So yeah, your girl is like, no, we got to hurry up with this. So I did wash and condition them already. I can't remember what inch this is. I want to say it's 16 inches. But I will put all the information in the description box and the link down below. I got this idea from, I cannot remember her name, but she had the clip-ins that were, does this have a gray hair? What y'all trying to say? Wow. Anyways, I got the idea from her because she bought these clip-ins where it's like seamless, but she got the straight hair and I wanted the curly hair. So here we are. We're gonna try this, and there are 7 clips here. And yeah, I braided my hair down. So the part right here in the front is going to be my leave out. I have a very little bit of leave out in the back because my hair gets really tangly. So, and then I have 5 braids. Now, I said I made this quick and easy because I braided messy and then I twisted my hair the rest of the way. And so all I'm going to do is bobby pin these bad boys up. So you're definitely just going to have to play with them and see where you want them. This is the one with the 4 clips, and it's the only one with 4 clips. So definitely going to go on the bottom. I think about here. That's good. And it's crazy because I actually used to make my own clip-ins. Again, I don't have time to be making stuff. I cannot be crafty in this day and age. I have no clue what this looks like, but we just playing, like we're just playing with it. It's okay. So this is one of the clips with the 3, and there's actually 2 of these. This bobby pin is actually in the way, so I'm going to just take them out because my hair is kind of situated where I want it anyways. So where are we getting somewhere? And I don't want it to be too thick because of course my natural hair isn't very thick, so I won't be out here looking like we ain't got no sense. One more clip with 3. I have these 2 sets. There's 2 each of these. They have 2 clips, but this is a longer piece than this one. I think we're gonna move this one a little bit. If I can do this style and keep it in for a week, I would be so happy. I should probably look in a mirror. Okay, so the 2 clips that had like the 2, but they were the long ones, I actually kind of overlapped them, like started at the edge clip, so they're kind of like overlapping, but we get in somewhere. All right, so I have my last 2, and it's actually very full. This is just one pack, y'all. My last ones, I have the 2 little clips. All right, y'all, I'm looking a bit crazy, but it's all in, and we're gonna see if we can blend this because like I said, this texture is way tighter curls than I've had like imagined it would be, but we're going to make this work. And the way I planned on wearing this, like I think it will be okay. So by the way, I washed this hair in these melanin products, the African Black Slope soap reviving shampoo, and then I use some of the multi softening leave-in conditioner. I actually washed my hair with the same thing, and I think I'm gonna try this mousse. I've really been liking this mousse, so I'm gonna get a water bottle, water it down. We gotta move fast. Okay, so as you can see, it's definitely different textures. I might look for some more, but like with the looser curl pattern, because I actually do like it. And my hair actually used to be a tighter curl, so it probably would have blended with this pretty well back in the day. But my hair has started changing. But I'm not gonna lie, I like it. All right. Pause, let me get this together. All right guys, so I'm back. I tried to like plait it a little to kind of and comb it out, but it wasn't happening. This is a and as you can see, my little one is up from his nap, but this is a very tightly curled pattern. So I will say, if you have really loose curls, you might want to look for a looser pattern. But what I do believe I can do is when I rewash this product out, I can blow dry it and wear my hair in a blow dried state. It's not exactly my plan for fall and winter because I wanted to wear my hair curly, but like protected curly. But this hair is still useful because I'm sure you can blow dry it out. It does feel a little rough on the ends. I will say that. It's not expensive hair at all. Are you in my products?
Bye.
$70. I'll put the price somewhere on the screen. A nice texture if it's the same as your texture to just get up and go. But I thought about giving them away because they are nice clip-ins. But I think I will try the blown out like style and see how I like that, because I don't mind wearing my hair in a stretch blown out style because I can easily blow dry my natural hair on low heat. But besides that, I mean, it's not terrible. It's just, one, my hair is really thin and this is actually kind of thick. And then my hair is really loose, especially in the front. Now it feels like the middle texture, it would probably blend better. And what I would change is I wouldn't do my hair that I'm protecting wet. I did it wet. I probably will never do that again. But besides that, I actually do like this hair, and I bet the straight hair. So I wanted to mention, I have the straight hair clip-ins, but I'm not wearing my hair straight. So that is why I didn't try those, but I did order them. And then I decided, you know, I don't want to straighten my hair right now, but I'm keeping them because I probably will eventually straighten my hair. But that's all for this video, guys. We hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. You say bye? Bye. Can you go pee-pee?
Bye.